I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of...
Hello and welcome to the Nerd in Motion. Not a big video this one, a very short one. I don't know if it's too short and maybe you'll never get to see it, but a subscriber sent me this video from another YouTuber. I'm not going to go into any depth of what he says because ultimately he's absolutely on the money, and this is like, he's got all the documentation and everything to do with it, so there's kind of no point me then just repeating the same thing. But I am doing a video to try and point you guys to go and watch his video. So if you have an Ecoboost engine that's blown up, if you've had one that maybe they weren't going to repair because of warranty issues, and you need to go and watch this video because I know. So a friend of mine, he had a Ford Focus. It was a 1 litre Ecoboost, lovely car. Engine blew up at the side of the road. Ford wouldn't touch it because the service history in their mind wasn't good enough, and basically he sold the Ford Focus at scrap value, which then somebody repaired and put back on the road, which is a bit dirty, to be honest. But basically, if you've got a Ford Ecoboost or even the Transit with the wet belt, and you've been knocked back by Ford in the past, you need to go back and ask again because they've changed the terms. And I think because of this chap Car UK putting pressure, he's done a few videos about it, and I know there's a whole other bunch, including myself, that have done videos about the Ecoboost issue. Then you know, and BBC Watchdog, it was on there, that there's been pressure put on Ford to restore their reputation and to not mug people off because there's clearly a design flaw, and basically they've changed the way they're doing it. So I'm going to put a link to his video below. Let me just show you the guy. This is the chap that you need to look for. It's Car UK. He is a lovely man. That's his channel. That's what it looks like, Car UK. Go and check him out. He is a trader. He goes to the auction, buys cars. I think he might mechanic a little bit. But I've worked in the motor trade for many years. I'm a qualified motor vehicle engineer, and I can tell you, I can spot somebody that doesn't know what they're talking about, no problem. He is legit. He knows what he's talking about, and he can tell you the in-depth about it because he's followed this story from the very, very beginning. So I'm putting this video out because there's a lot of you that have watched the Ecoboost video that I did, and I don't know if you're aware of him, but this is so important. This could save you a lot of money, and yeah, I think it's worth going over and having a look, and maybe it'll help. If this video helps a couple of people, then it's done its job. I'm just interested to find out now if PSA will follow suit with the problems with the PureTech engine, with the wet belt situation in that. That's not kind of got the coverage that the Ford has got, but maybe that's because they're not as popular cars. But it'd be interesting to see if now PSA will backtrack like Citroën Peugeot on that same issue, and whether they will honour the broken engines. So yeah, this is a very short video. I'm literally trying to pad it out to 5 minutes so that at least it's over 5 minutes, because sometimes, honestly, if you make a short video and it's less than 10 minutes, then YouTube just doesn't share it out. But if you know somebody with a Ford EcoBoost engine, then please share the video that I've put a link to the description. Just get it out there so that people can get their cars sorted. It's, you know, it's good that Ford are doing it. I'm glad that, you know, they've taken the pressure from YouTubers, social media, and from like the BBC and people like that. I'm glad that they've taken the pressure and they're rebuilding their brand and making a positive step forward to hopefully help people out. So yeah, go and check his video out. It's in really, really in depth, and it should answer all your questions. So when you contact Ford, you will be well armed with the information that you need to know. Right, I will leave it there, and I'll catch you all on the flip side. Go check him out. Link in the description. Go now. Just go down. Don't worry about subbing to me or liking it. Just get down there, click that link, watch his video.